Hi, this video will walk you through the process of configuring invoices for the various services offered by your laboratory. To configure invoices, navigate to the Application Settings module and switch to Form Configurations. Now, switch to the Services and Billing module. Press Configure Invoice. In the Show or Hide Attributes of Catalog Invoicing window, select a service request type. For example, sample testing. Tick the attributes that you would like to display in the service details table and on the invoices that your clients would access from the client portal. Deselect the attributes that you would like to hide. Press Update and Stay if you would like to remain on the window and configure invoices for the other request types. Press Update and Close if you would like to close the window. After the configuration is complete, you can generate invoices containing the service details you choose. Thank you for watching. For any suggestions or questions, please email us at support@cloudlims.com or call +1 302 789 0447.